What's up, everybody? It's me again. I am fast running out of battery power on my phone, so I got to make this a quick one. These are some mini tacos I got from a local food truck called Pollos Asados. I've been curious about these guys for a while. I got the asada mini tacos. Put a little bit of this green magic on here. Let's give these a shot, shall we? Ooh, I don't know where it starts and where it begins. Nah, well, where it starts and where it begins. Where it starts and where it ends. Holy damn, that's magnificent. Well, nope. Well, yeah, that's good. I mean, it's very good. But a little on the salty side. I didn't put any lime on it either. Usually these things don't come to life without lime. There it is. Oh, yeah. Avocado, too. Gotta have that avocado, man. I had their torta. It was okay. Not magnificent, but it was good. But these are right on point. Mmm. Mmm. Ooh, that green sauce is hot. Damn. Oh, I got the hiccups now. I got the hiccups. That usually happens when I eat something spicy. Oh, I can't stop hiccuping. Oh my God. Oh, well, like I said, I'm losing battery power, so I'm going to have to end this anyway. I couldn't see the numbers up there, so I thought it wasn't recording all this time. I got super nervous. But yeah, Pollos Asados. Based on this, 710. 710. It's fair, it's firm, it's worth trying again. 710. That's a skin. Mmm. Good stuff, Maynard. I'm going to finish these up. Finish this video up. Thank you for joining me. I just got home. See, I didn't even take my seatbelt off yet. Just got home. Y'all take care. Peace. Talk to you soon.